Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Palantir Technologies. Palantir Technologies sits above the 9, 50, and 200-day EMAs. Trend support is building. Price is above the 9, 50, and 200-day EMAs, confirming a strong uptrend across timeframes. There is a downward gap between $187.20 and $188.62 that remains unfilled. A move to close this gap would mean about a 3.8% rise from here. A falling short-term regression channel is capping price near 196.26. As long as price stays below this short-term resistance, downside pressure dominates. A decisive daily close above this line would be the first warning that the short-term downtrend is starting to lose control. Mid-term resistance is clustered near 199.85. Between the mid-term and long-term objectives, an extra resistance band appears near 207.52. If current momentum continues, a measured move points toward a long-term objective near $267.48. The long-term roadmap is active, with 4 of 4 key confirmations in place, including downtrend break, EMA 50 reclaimed. Volume above 120% of the 20-day average, EMA 200 reclaimed. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 10 to 20 sessions, or roughly 3.0 weeks. Invalidation sits near 166.35 on a decisive daily close below that level. RSI is showing early signs of recovery, but MACD is still weak for now. In a similar MACD cycle between April 10th and May 21st, the price saw an increase of around 36.1%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price is moving steadily within its short-term channel. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading below the 38%, 184.62 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 23% retracement near 193.37 below, and the 50% level around 177.54 above. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 223.83 Fib 1.27 and then 244.58 Fib 1.62. Technical analysis update. Looking at Palantir Technologies today, conditions are reading as neutral overall. Price is currently above the medium-term moving averages, which anchors the broader trend bias. The main tactical trigger to watch is a daily close above $200. A daily close above $200 with MACD confirmation would argue for a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, this roadmap starts to weaken on a sustained break below $166. Momentum and participation add context to that roadmap. RSI is currently around 50.5. and MACD is below its signal line, pointing to fading pressure in the current swing. Volume is elevated versus its 20-day average, and volatility via ATR is relatively stable. On the near-term map, the key reference levels include near-term resistance around $184, support near $180, a mid-term target around $200. In the bigger picture, the long-term measured move objective sits near $267. If the broader trend can stay intact, an upside roadmap to monitor is $267 as the long-term measured move objective, and that's $305 as a 1.618 extension and $364 as a 2.618 extension. Overall, the coming sessions should reveal whether this roadmap can stay on track or transition into a deeper corrective phase. Here are the latest updates for Palantir Technologies. The most recent headline is, Palantir, PLTR gets buy rating amid expanding AI backlog. That wraps up this technical analysis on Palantir Technologies. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.